Understanding the phrase, clean up well. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, clean up well. This phrase can be a bit confusing for non-native speakers, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. So, let's dive in. The phrase, clean up well, is often used to describe someone who looks surprisingly good when they dress up or groom themselves. Especially when their usual appearance is less polished or they're often seen in casual attire. It's a compliment that suggests a transformation or improvement in appearance. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. John usually wears old jeans and t-shirts, but he cleans up well for formal events. Here, it means John looks good when he dresses formally. 2. I didn't recognize Lisa at the party. She really cleans up well. This implies Lisa looked unexpectedly elegant or different from her usual appearance. It's important to note that clean up well is generally used in a positive context. However, be cautious, as it might imply that the person's usual appearance is not as appealing. It's best used among friends or in a light-hearted manner. It's also more commonly heard in casual conversations rather than formal settings. And that's all about the phrase, clean up well. Now you know how to use it correctly in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the culture and nuances behind them. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.